Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install the Time Doctor Chrome extension. Now when you're logged into Time Doctor here on your dashboard, you can actually come to the top panel and click on Download, and then you'll see different options, right? Just click on the last one right here, Chrome OS, and then click on Install Time Doctor for Chrome. It will actually open up the Chrome Web Store. Now from here, just click on Add to Chrome, just like that, and then click here on Add extension, and it should start downloading the extension. You'll see it right here getting downloaded, and once it is done being downloaded, okay, it will be added to Chrome. You can go ahead and pin it as well. Just click here on this puzzle icon, and then you can click on this to pin that extension. And now you can just click here, begin using it, just log in, to your account, and just continue with the Google. But to do this, sync needs to be enabled for your Chrome profile, so you can of course go ahead and log in with your email and password as well. But that is how to install Time Doctor Chrome extension.